Welcome back. Thank you guys for tuning in. Today's hair was sent to me by Ali Julia Hair on Amazon. They sent me a 16-inch body wave 360 wig. And today I'm basically going to be slaying my sister. This is my first time putting a wig on anybody else but myself. So I'm going to go ahead and stop talking and let you guys see me either fail or nail this look. I definitely lied. If you guys could so greatly hit that subscribe button, like this video, and comment down below if you guys think that I had nailed or failed this video. And now I'll be done talking. Overall, I did love this wig. I wish I would have applied it on myself first. But the wig is bomb, period. Like, I would suggest this for anybody who likes to tie their hair back, because it is a 360 wig. You can tie it back and have that lace in the front and it not look so wiggish. You know what I'm saying? But if you haven't already, like I said before, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, comment down below if you like this or if you didn't like it. Either or, it's all love, and stay tuned for the next video.